In this video, we're going to show you how to test the operating thermostat in your dryer. So to test your operating thermostat, we're going to be using that multimeter. And this particular one has 4 terminals on it. Some will just have 3, some will just have 2. So what an operating thermostat basically does is cycle the element on and off. So when it senses that the air temperature is hot enough, it will open up the circuit, turning your element off. When it cools down, the circuit will close, turn the element back on. So what we want to do is take our meter and check these 2 large terminals that are on the outside and see if we have a circuit. And in this case, we have an audible sound, so that thermostat is good. If we were to touch those and we didn't get a sound, then we know that the thermostat is bad. Now the other 2 terminals we have in here, on this particular one, is actually for a small heater. So what this is doing is, depending on the cycle that's being selected by your timer or your control panel, this will turn on the small heater inside, giving a false temperature reading to the thermostat, thinking it's hotter than it should, and it will turn the element off sooner than it would normally in a regular time cycle. So it's just an extra feature that they have, and you can test that as well. Just by doing your same kind of continuity test. Now you probably won't get a beep because it is a heater that's in there, so you may just have to adjust your continuity settings until you're actually able to read a resistance for the heater. If you were to dial that meter down to all settings and you still did not have a reading, then the heater inside that thermostat is bad and you would have to replace it. And that's how you test your operating thermostat.